Welcome back, students. Let us continue the lesson Advanced Features of Word Processor 2. So in today's session we will learn how to place the text in a shapes. In the last session we have discussed how to work with the shapes, means how shapes can be inserted, how shape can be formatted. We have seen that all the points in a previous session. Okay, if you have not watched that video, so please watch it to understand the points. Now in today's session we will learn how to place the text inside the shapes. Okay. First of all, let us open Microsoft Word, click on Start, click on All Programs, click on Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft Word 2010. So here, so this is the application window of Microsoft Word. So now to insert any text in a shape, first we require a shape here. Okay, first we need to draw the shape in this document area. So first click on Insert. In a illustrations group we have a shapes option. Okay, illustrations group shapes option is given, and so in a shapes option plenty of shapes are given. Okay, so different types of shapes are given. You can choose whichever the shape you want. Okay, so now let me choose this star shape. Then your mouse pointer gets converted to plus sign symbol. Then here just drag your mouse by holding the left mouse button. Just hold left mouse button and drag it. Okay, so now this is the shape we have inserted. Now what we'll do, I'll format this, means I will change the color and outline. I don't want this blue color, I want a different color. So that's why click on shape fill option. So in a shape fill, go to gradient option. In a gradient, go to more gradient. So in this more gradient, select I am going to use a red color. Okay, then click on close button. Here gradient, so that red color also I am going to give this effect. Okay, so this effect. Then I don't want this blue color for the outline. I want to change the outline. I want to keep yellow outline for better attraction. Okay, now shape is looking a little bit attractive. Okay, so now the point is how we can insert the text in this shape. To insert the text in a shape, first select the shape. After selecting the shape, right click on this shape. Okay, just right click on this shape. So when you right click, you will get the option add text. Okay, so add text option gets displayed after right clicking. Select this add text option, then you will get the cursor inside this shape. Then you can type. For example, I am going to type practice makes man perfect. See, now I have typed everything, but so that last line is not displaying because of line spacing. So line spacing is more in between the text. So let us reduce that line spacing. Okay, so now we'll remove that after paragraph also. Okay, now see, text is displaying. We can format afterwards, like you can give different font style, or you can give cursive writing also. No. Okay. Then you can increase the size of this text. You can increase the size. See, when you increase, automatically the text is getting hide because the size of the shape is small. So that's why. So what will do, you can do, you can increase the size. Okay, you can increase the size of this text. Okay, you can increase and you can display that entire text. So in the place of practice makes man perfect, I'll type hurry up. Hurry up. This offer is for limited period. Okay, so and we are getting, ignore it. Okay, so hurry up, this offer is for limited period. So this is the text I am going to display in a banners and all you might be seeing. So this type of shapes they will use, then different types of effect will be given for that shape. Afterwards they add a text in that shape. So this is the way to place the text in Microsoft Word. So next point is using a drawing tools. So here they given one activity on page number 45. One activity is given, so that activity is for the students. Okay, I am not going to do that activity here. So you try it in your system by using different types of shapes, different types of tools, so you can do that activity. Okay, so that is for students work. So now next point is inserting word art. So how to insert the word art in a document. So first of all, let me delete this shape. I want to work in this same file. So first of all, what is word art? The word art feature allows you to create special text effects. If you want to create any special text effect, in that way you can use word art feature. It gives a unique look to the text using word art. You can create decorative effects such as curved, wavy, shadow, three-dimensional text, etc. Means by using this word art, you can make the text decorative. You can give a different decorative effects for your text, like you can make a curved text, you can make a wavy text, and you can make shadow or three-dimensional text. So first let us see how to add the word art. So first of all, let me type the text first. I'll type work is worship. Okay, so this is one program. So just select the text. After selecting, click on insert tab. In a insert tab, we have word art button in a text group. Okay, so just click on word art button in a text group and you choose a desired size here. Okay, so select any size or any style of the text from this displayed list. Okay, see now I am going to choose this one. Can you see now how it is displaying work is worship? You can click on insert, click on word art. So from this word art you choose the desired style. So your text will be displayed with the selected style. So first that text has to be selected. Okay, so before text was not selected, so that's why it remained. Let me go to that point and we'll delete this previous one. Sorry, select it and press delete. And so this text we place it at the center of our Word document. Click on insert, click on word art and you choose the desired style of your text. Okay, it is coming. Okay, no problem. Now if you want to change the color of this text, okay, if you want to change the color, for example, now here black and white color, for the outline white color is given and inside black color is filled. Okay, if you want to change the color, select the text, then shape fill option is given. Okay, so if you use shape fill, what happens? So this box gets filled. Okay, so now background I used yellow. Okay, shape fill means here, so that background got filled. Now here you have a text fill option. Okay, you just click on text fill, then you choose the color, which color you want to fill inside that text. Okay, so work is worship. Then here for the outline, in the place of white, if you want to give any other effects, go to outline and you choose the desired size. Okay, green color, blue, whatever you want, it is your choice. I'll keep white only, it looks nice. Okay, next if you want to give effects, shadow effect or reflection effect, you can give the effect for your text. See now I have given a reflection effect, so now text is reflecting. You can reflect. If you want to change the style of this text, option is same. Go to home tab and from the home tab you choose the style. Okay, you choose the style of the font style. Then for increasing the size, you can use that font size option for increasing. Okay, for increasing, just use that same option now. So it is separate because that shape size has gone little bit, so that's why here. Okay, let me adjust it. So in this way you can use word art in your document. Okay, so it is very useful feature. You can make a decorative text, then wavy text, so different styles can be given, different effects can be given for your text. Thank you for watching.